In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize reporting tags for your account, making it easier to organize and access your data efficiently. We'll take you through the process step by step, ensuring you can seamlessly set up tags to better categorize your projects or tasks. Let's dive right in and get started. We're kicking things off by navigating to your account settings. To locate this, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You should see the familiar gear symbol, which represents the settings icon. Give it a click, and you'll find yourself presented with a menu brimming with options ripe for exploration. Our focus today is the customization menu nestled within settings. This menu holds the tools you need to tailor your account's functionality and the way your data is presented. From here, select reporting tags. This is where our customization journey begins today. With the reporting tag section open, you're going to notice an option to create a new tag. Look for a button that usually reads plus new tag. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter a tag name. The tag name is crucial because it acts as the identifier for the category you're creating, so take a moment to consider how you'd like to label it. For example, if organizing by different business areas suits your needs, a tag like department could serve you well. Once you've settled on your tag name, it's time to add options under this tag. Options serve as subcategories that help refine your data sorting even further, so they're quite handy. To start adding, click on the plus, add another option button. Imagine your tag name is department. You might want to enter options such as sales, marketing, or any other department relevant to your operations. Be sure to brainstorm and add all the options you think might be useful for comprehensive categorization down the line. After all your options are added, take a moment to review everything for accuracy. Ensure that your tag name and the newly added options reflect the categories you want. This careful attention to detail will streamline data organization and retrieval in the future. Once you're happy with everything, click Save. This step is critical as it solidifies your work, applying the new reporting tag so you can utilize it across the varied sections of your account. And there you have it. Congratulations on setting up your reporting tags. Although this might feel like a small step, it packs a powerful punch in enhancing how you handle and interpret your data. With your information neatly categorized and easily retrievable, you'll find it simpler to extract insights and gain clarity on various operational aspects. Remember, thoughtful organization can lead to better decision-making, so make the most of this feature whenever the situation calls for it. Thanks for joining me today, and happy organizing!